One thing I find perennially fascinating is how the shape of the world affects the shape of our lives. And I don't just mean the terrain that we live in, but the number and shape of the spatial and temporal dimensions that we live in. In Flatland, A Square, the pseudonymous name of Edwin Abbott, describes a world in which there's only two dimensions. But there's many special things about living in three stretched out spatial dimensions. One is that the form of gravity, the equivalent of gravity in, say, 4 dimensions, would have an inverse cube law instead of an inverse square law. And that would make it very tricky for things to agglomerate. It would be very sensitive. But the thing I most love about 3 spatial dimensions is that we have knots. There is no other number of dimensions in which you get a one-dimensional thing, a string, that can't be untangled simply by pulling both ends. So if we lived in 4 dimensions, the experience of kite flying would be completely different.